Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is: what is your vendor team members' language of appreciation? Now, in the US and Canada, the first Friday in March each year is Employee Appreciation Day. And according to Gary Chapman and Paul White in their book, Five Languages of Appreciation in the Workplace, there are 5 different ways that your employees may prefer to feel appreciated. Now, the first way is words of affirmation. This is where you give them praise for accomplishments. The second way is quality time, and this is where you're giving the employee your focused attention. The third way is acts of service. This is where you're asking, what can I do to help? The fourth way is tangible gifts. These are physical gifts. Now, it doesn't need to be large or expensive. And this, by the way, is my favorite way to feel appreciated. And if you ever want to have a great laugh, just ask me about the honey bun incident of 2018. Now, the fifth and last way that employees may prefer to feel appreciated is physical touch. Now, this may be a little difficult with COVID, but this can be handshakes or elbow bumps or foot bumps. Just make sure that it is HR appropriate. Now, if you are intrigued, I will leave a link to the book on Amazon, and then you can also have a preview of a podcast that won't be published until Thursday, February 18th. And obviously, if you're listening to this after that, you can just go ahead and click through. But the podcast is with Josh Kunkel, and I had him on back in 2019 talking about employee appreciation, and he is back now, and you can learn what unique way he is appreciating his employees COVID style. You really won't want to miss that. I'll also have more detailed information in a blog that will also be published on February 18th. So if you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. Now, good luck, and don't forget to tune in next Tuesday for next week's Vendor Master File tip of the week.